welcome back. This time it's not so much upgrading more what we have around the house. This time we're going to show you some of the things you could do when we start spending money, we start putting in a little bit more effort, we start using more specialized tools. And we're going to talk about these different things in separate clips. We're going to talk about the audio, we're going to talk about camera and image quality, we're going to talk about lights, we're going to talk about directing and multi-camera setups and software to do so. But before we do that, we want to give you a quick tour of all the different things we have set up here. Again, it's mainly for inspiration, to show you what is possible, and you can pick and choose from them. In the various clips, we're going to explain them in a little bit more detail. So what we still have, you can see behind me, still the bookshelf. The set dressing is the same. We still have the pillows, the carpet to fill the room. But we've changed the hardware a bit. So we have the main laptop here that we use for Zoom, all the software that's running on it. Next to it, you'll see the microphone, a Rode NT USB microphone that we use mainly for the audio, with the possibility to pre-listen to it or have a feedback in ear. We're going to talk about that later. Attached to an arm, so that allows me to move the microphone to a good position. We have an extra screen running Open Broadcaster software that allows me to switch between different settings in the camera and different presentations with a custom keyboard that allows me to change the settings quickly. We have an extra webcam, USB webcam, that provides an additional angle for the presentation. So, looking at that camera. Up there you will see we have a small display that's a Lametric clock that shows the time, and it can also do timers. So it's great if you have a limited amount of time to do presentations to run these, to keep track of that. Above it is an extra screen, so that's our output or presentation screen. So when we're doing presentations, the presentation is shown on that screen, and we've put it up there because it allows you to stand up and again to focus your eyesight up instead of down on the laptop. Next to it we have a external camera, so that's a camera, the main camera we use for the video. It has some special features, and that's connected to the laptop via a cam link. We're going to talk more about that later. Above it is a GoPro, and then finally we have a softbox light, and we currently turned it off mainly for this camera. So all of that together with the things we've shown you in the past is the setup, and we're going to talk all of these components. We're going to walk through them in a bit more detail. The audio, the camera setup, the broadcasting, the directing and switching of the videos, and the image quality, and the lights.